think about this. What if you can make $1 for every single click? And what if in today's video you're going to learn the secret to make that $1, get it, and turn it into $40 in just another click, and then make 40 times more money compared to other people? And to do that, all you have to do is What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. By using your mobile phone or your computer, that's all you need. How cool is that? You don't need any difficult technical skills or experience. You don't need to make any video or make any website. You don't need any social media following. You don't even need any money to start because it's free and it's available worldwide. So in today's very quick video, I'm going to show you everything step by step, including how you can sign up for a free account and a lot of real life demonstrations on how to do this. So let's jump right into it. Now, I want you to take a look at this. $1 earning per click. For every single click, you can earn $1. Now, if you watch this video all the way into the end, I'm going to show you how you can turn this dollar into $40 and eventually into $600. Now, don't miss out on this because you really don't want to miss out on it. So step one, I want you guys to go on to moreniche.com. And you're going to see it on the screen. And basically, before you go onto this website, you have to watch the entire video. Don't go ahead of yourself because you're going to regret it. So let's get into it. So as you can see over here, okay, I want you to click on this button right on top because you can see here brands. And I want you to click on that. And from there, that's going to bring you to this page where you're going to see... Scroll down below where you're gonna see here. When you scroll down below, you're gonna look for different companies like Black Wolf, Brutal Force Diet, Fangold, and right here there's even Zoltran, which is a very famous company now. And what this means is that you can literally go on and promote any company for just different opportunities, and you can earn a lot of commissions online. And again, this is free, so don't even worry about investing any money. It's available worldwide in all countries and in the world. And basically, I want you to check this out. Zoltran Flick program, you can earn up to $40 per sale, and that's what I promised you. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Now, what you're gonna do, okay, is you have to click on this link right here. You can see that Zoltran View brand, and you're gonna click on this link, and from there that's gonna take you to their affiliate program. Now, when you can earn 40% per sale in this video, I'm gonna show you one example using this company. Again, on this website, More Niche, you can find a lot of different other brands. For example, I want to show you different companies so you can promote them and earn commissions online. And so Zoltran, you can repeat this strategy and apply that on any other companies. So I'm going to explain to you, okay? So this program in particular, you can join it for free and you can promote a lot of different products offered by Zoltran. So you can see here that basically on the Zoltran official website, they're giving a lot of different products. They're offering different solutions to help people lose weight. You can see here, for example, there's just this product, and then there are different products as well, different packages that people can purchase and buy on this website. And you can be the one to become the affiliate and promote all of these products and make sales and make commission from them over and over again. And one of the reasons why I love to promote Zoltran is because they're fast and it's free shipping worldwide. That means they're going to just get a lot of sales and customers and conversions, and they're going to be customers from different countries as well in the world. And more of them are more likely to purchase these products because they offer fast and free shipping in all countries. And they are also offering a very high commission. Then the average order value is $150, and they have a 22.7 conversion. Now this might sound a bit confusing, but you don't need to know about all of these numbers because all you need to do is sell, which is like hotcake. A lot of people buy them and they're selling a lot of products, and you could be the one to make commission for every single click. So moving on, I'm going to show you guys the payment methods and the schedule. Basically, they do bi-weekly payout, as you can see here. So the 15th of every month, every single month, 2 times a month, and they're gonna pay you the money. And the payment method is actually bank transfer, SQL, Bitcoin, and right there, wire transfer as well. And if you want PayPal, Paytm, and just a lot more. I want you guys to comment down below what country you reside in and what is your favorite or preferred payment method, so that my next video will be more relevant to our subscribers. Let's keep going then. So basically, a lot of people, different affiliates from different countries in the world, they're making really good money to promote Zoltram. You can see here up to 66,500 per year by simply promoting a single product. So right here, if you want to start promoting Zoltram and making a commission, all you have to do is click on this orange button to join more niche to start promoting Zoltram. And from there, that's gonna bring you this page where you can create a brand new account. And again, the registration is free. You don't have to pay for anything at all. You're gonna choose this in affiliate because we are gonna become an affiliate and earn commission. So from there, just bring your name, your last name, your email address, set up a password, and then just gonna read on the policies and the terms and conditions and agree to that, and you can click on this button to sign up for free. And I'm moving on. I'm going to show you how you can earn $1 per click and how you can make up to $40 per sale over and over again on Zoltram. And as soon as you sign up for your free account and you've got in your affiliate links where you can earn commission, we can move on to step 2. And I want you guys to go on this website, which is called findaforum.net. And as soon as you come over to this website, I want you to go and click on this button on top of these categories. And from there, that's going to bring you to this page where you can find different forum categories in different niches. For example, art and literature, health, shopping, e-commerce, music, and so on. Now in this video, we're going to try to promote Zoltram, which is a weight loss product, which are weight loss products. And we're going to get attention and traffic from people to click on our link. And for every single click, we're going to earn $1. And if they make a purchase, then we're going to earn $40. So all you got to do is to click on this link, which is dieting and weight loss. Just click on that, and that's going to take you to this page where you're going to find 1,000 different forms. For example, this, and also we have another one, which is this, and you can join, and you're going to be getting a lot of people to click on your link. And now say for example this forum over here, you're going to choose, there are hundreds of thousands of members on all of these different platforms and forums, and the strategy here is that you're going to join as much forums as possible, and all of them are free and worldwide. So what if you want to join on this forum? All you have to do is click on the visit the forum, just click on this button, and from there that's gonna bring you to the official forum where you can see where people are discussing on the different topic. They're asking questions, giving answers about weight loss, and this is the biggest opportunity right now. You can simply just join this forum and start posting something on those forums, or you can do it without any experience as a complete beginner. And again, if you keep watching, I'm going to show you a copy paste template that you can use, so you can just copy my entire template whenever people click on your Zoltram affiliate link. When they click on that, you can earn $1 when they make a purchase about any product on this. Now, what you're gonna do now, okay, for example, you're gonna choose this. This is just one of the examples. So over there, you're gonna look another example for active low carbon forum. It's just a lot, you know. So you're gonna visit their forum, and from there that's gonna bring you to this page. And once again, they work very similarly, and they're getting hundreds and thousands of visitors every single month. They're interested in this topic about weight loss. So let's say you want to sign up for a free account on this forum. All you have to do is click on this link and see here, register by clicking. It's free. Just click on this, and that's going to take you to this page where you're going to make sure that you read the rules over here. You're going to click on to agree to that, and then you click on the register button. And from there, you're going to give a username, a password, your email address. You're going to fill out some more simple details here to give them more information, your weight, so they want to make sure that you're a legit person that actually joins the forum. You're not a robot. Once you fill all those details in, just click on this to complete the registration. And that's how you can join this forum over here. And again, they work very similarly on any other forum. For example, this one right here, and it's the coolest thing I like to find about forum.net. they can find hundreds and thousands of different forums and many different categories, and you can just join all of them right here to show you everything in one place. So right now you sign up for a free account. Next thing is you're just going to post the template that I'm going to show you with your affiliate link. So if you're having fun with today's video, make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leaving some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's get back into the video. So just go back to any form that you want and paste your template right here as a post. You're gonna see a lot of posts that are going on, and they're getting hundreds and thousands of people to click on them. You can see here millions of people. So basically you're sharing with them the best tips on how to lose weight fast without dieting. You're going to see here that I'm offering the tip number 1 all the way up to tip number 5. Whenever you show them free tips, they'll literally trust your recommendation because you're offering free value. So you're showing yourself as an expert, as a pro, to share tips to them how to lose weight, and it's natural and logic. So in the end, you're going to recommend something that's actually helpful. And so you're going to replace these sentences, obviously, with your affiliate link. Now, once you change all of your fillings into this template, all you have to do is copy everything. And then you're going to go back to any forum that you want to post. For example, this forum, then you're going to paste it. In another forum, and you're going to paste it. And another one, and another one. And you're just going to repeat that all the time. And you're going to make so much money in a day. You guys will not regret it. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.